the Radina Health Podcast, your guide to world-class medical care through health tourism in Iran. Today, we're diving into surrogacy in Iran, a game-changing fertility treatment for couples facing challenges like uterine issues or health risks in pregnancy. Today, I'm here to cover the process, costs, legal aspects, and why Iran is a top destination for this journey. Let's get started. Surrogacy is a method where a woman or the surrogate carries and delivers a child for another couple or individual using IVF. The embryo created from the parents or the donor's egg and sperm is transferred to the surrogate's uterus, ensuring no genetic link between the surrogate and the baby. It's a solution for women with uterine problems, endometriosis, or life-threatening conditions like heart or kidney diseases that make pregnancy dangerous. Iran stands out as a hub for surrogacy, offering affordability, short waiting lists, and expert care. The process in Iran unfolds in 8 steps, taking about 12 to 18 months. First, you'll choose a reputable fertility center or infertility institute. Institutes handle not just IVF, but also legal and logistical aspects, making them ideal for foreigners. Radina Health can connect you with top clinics to streamline this step. Next, plan your trip to Iran, considering visas, accommodation, and post-op care, typically 2 to 3 weeks of a stay if you don't remain for the pregnancy. Step 3 involves medical examinations for the intended parents and surrogate, ensuring everyone's health is optimal. Genetic counseling follows, identifying any hereditary risks to safeguard the baby. Legal advice is crucial in Step 5, with contracts drafted to clarify rights and responsibilities, protecting all parties. Iran's clear legal framework ensures the baby belongs to the intended parents, with no mention of the surrogate on the birth certificate. Step 6 is choosing an egg donor if the intended mother's eggs aren't viable. Donors undergo rigorous screening, and there are egg banks here that makes this process efficient. Step 7 is selecting a surrogate, either independently or through the institute. Surrogates must be under 35, married or divorced, have a healthy pregnancy history, and pass medical and psychological tests. Finally, the medical process begins. IVF fertilizes the egg. The embryo is transferred to the surrogate's uterus, and after about 15 days, a pregnancy test confirms success. The surrogate is supported throughout the pregnancy, and the baby is handed to the intended parents at birth. Why Iran? Cost is a major factor. Surrogacy in Iran ranges from $19,000 to $29,000, compared to US or India, which ranges about $30,000 to $150,000. This covers IVF, surrogates, compensations, legal contracts, and medical care. Iran's affordability stems from lower medical costs and devolved currency, yet quality remains high with a 95% of success rate for healthy births. Experienced doctors, advanced clinics, and a well-established healthcare system makes it safe and reliable. Another important factor is that surrogacy is legal and approved in Iran, in contrast with many other countries in the world. Who is a good candidate? Women with no uterus, severe endometriosis, or health conditions like rheumatic or rare diseases that make pregnancy risky are ideal. Surrogates must meet strict criteria: no addictions, no serious illnesses, and a proven ability to carry a healthy pregnancy. The process isn't rushed. Expect 10 to 12 months from application to birth, but thorough evaluation ensures success. Benefits include fulfilling parenthood dreams with a genetically related child, often preventing divorce for infertile couples. Success hinges on egg and sperm quality, the surrogate's health, and expert IVF execution, all strengths of Iran's fertility centers. Radina Health makes the process seamless, offering support from choosing clinics to navigating legalities. Iran's blend for affordability, expertise, and cultural hospitality. Think exploring historic sites between appointments sets it apart, with costs a fraction of global rates and outcomes rivaling the best. It's no wonder couples from the Middle East and beyond choose Iran. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.